Ay nako, hirap talaga mag-arky, no?
True yan. Pero, alam mo ba, kaya namang dumali at sumayan.
Paano mo naman nasabi?
Kapag nandito ka na sa Enyo Dasmariñas, kaya tara na.
Hoy, sinong kausap mo dyan? Pero agree.
Here at Enyo Dasmariñas, architecture is both fun and exploratory. The program emphasizes collaboration among students, allowing them to work together to refine and enhance their designs.
Hala, wala pa pala akong RAM? Record ba yun? Alam mo ba paano maglagay ng RAM?
Oo, pero para sure magpaturo na lang tayo kay ma'am.
Ma'am!
Through the guidance of dedicated professionals, architecture is made manageable and understandable.
Ganun pala yun. Kayang-kaya.
More than that, students are pushed to be engaged in a fun, collaborative yet professional work setting. All are pushing towards one goal, to create a better built environment.
May gawa ka na sa design.
Ayun nga eh. Nag-iisip pa rin ako ng concept na pwedeng gawin.
Ang hirap kasi mag-isip ng concept eh. Mga ilang araw tinatagal bago makaisip. Uy, may ginagawa sila.
Ang sisipag!
Tara, tignan natin.
Tara.
Uy, ano ginagawa mo?
Saan yan? Para sa history of architecture. Simply project that showcase the architecture sa given country sa amin.
Stippling!
Oo, silent architecture.
Silent architecture!
Di mo kaya.
And through the tri-semestral curriculum, students can focus on lesser subjects, meaning lesser workload and more attention to complex projects.
Sabi sa inyo eh, tara na dito sa architecture department. Tara na! Tara!
Sino ang kausap mo dyan? Choose quality.
Affordable.
An accessible education for all.
Choose National University of Dasmariñas.
Choose education that works. Teka yung plates ko!
Dahil ang mga produkto nitong arkitekto ay siguradong hindi palyado.
Ma'am!